In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then choose All Services, scroll down to click on Autofill with Google and tap on Passwords. Now select one of your passwords, enter your screen lock and hit Edit button to change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!